everyone, welcome back to Fullerton Academy. I am so happy that you joined us for this lesson. Today's lesson is going to be about how to rename a fraction as a decimal. So let's get started. First, I want to start with our fraction, which is 3/5. And what I like to do always is to bring some context, some meaning to the fraction so that it's something that's memorable. And if you get a word problem, it won't seem as difficult. So first, the context is going to be 5 people shared $3. How much money would each person receive? So in this problem, most of the kids, if especially in 5th grade where this concept is being introduced, where they're required to rename it as a decimal, they're not comfortable seeing a smaller number being divided by a larger number. So what most kids would do, they would go ahead and put 5 divided by 3 automatically. But that is not what we want to do. So I have created a rhyme that will help students to remember exactly how to solve this problem. So the rhyme goes something like this, and I explained it in my previous lesson. So it is top in, bottom out. Top in, bottom out. Top in, bottom out. If you keep saying it, you will remember it. And every time you have a fraction, you're going to know exactly how to rewrite it as a division expression. So top in, bottom out. Top in, bottom out. So let's show you how that works. So first, I'm going to create my division expression, a division bar, and I'm going to put the number on the top goes in, the number on the bottom goes out. The number on the top goes in, the number on the bottom goes out. So top in, bottom out. There we go. If you remember this rhyme, it doesn't matter what number is on the top. Your brain is not going to force you to change the order because you're going to know the numerator always going to go inside. The denominator is always going to go outside. So if you keep that in your memory bank, you can recall it later and then you'll never have a mistake. So now let's go ahead and do our division. So how many groups of 5 can I get out of 3? We're not able. So if I have these 5 people and I want to give them $1 each, I don't have enough so that each person gets $1. I only get $3. So therefore, I'm going to have to change my singles into coins. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 here and a decimal point. So this decimal point is basically saying I don't have enough for a whole. I don't have enough for each person to get $1, so I'm going to have to change it. So I'm going to add a 0 here. So now what I'm doing is I no longer have 3 singles. Now I have 30 dimes. I take my $3 and I change them into dimes. So I have a lot of dimes now. Now all I'm going to do is put my dimes in the group of 3. In the group of 5. So now 5 goes into 30 6 times. 5 times 6 is 30. And since we're talking about money, your answer has to be expressed in the hundredths place. So I'm going to have to add a 0. So now I can clearly see that my answer is going to be 60 cents. So each person would receive 60 cents. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please feel free to share with your friends. Please subscribe. And if you have any other questions about any problems that you want me to go over and put my little spin on it, I'll be more than happy to do so. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I will see you soon. Take care.